Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to figure out how can we identify winners of the game. Okay, till now we have been working on our tic-tac-toe game. So now we will talk about how to win the game, winners. Okay, so now you may be thinking that players can't even play yet on the game and you're talking about winners. I know that. I will definitely add that, but that's really one of the last steps we need. So now let's get started. There are three different ways that we can win a game, that is vertically, diagonally, and horizontally. Okay, as you know here, if you got here in place of 1, if you got here x, 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 that means you won the game. Like that only you can win horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. So there are different approaches for identifying for horizontal, for horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. So first of all, let's talk about horizontally. So how might we handle horizontally? There are few different ways that we can handle. So as you can see here, the first line is 1 because it's just filled with 1. Okay, in the square brackets. So now what I will do is I will give here some definitions and then I will make the program. So I will give here def and I will give here is win game. Okay, so now for line what I will give is for line in game. Okay, for line in game, print line column 1 equals line line 0. I will copy this one and here I will give 1, 2, right, here 3 and here 2 again. So now if column, what I will do is I will give column 1 equals to column 2. Oh, we forgot to give here 2, right? 2 equals to column 3. Okay, so now I will give here is print winner. So now let's run this program and see. So we have, okay, so we have we got the winner for the first line. So now what I will do is I will give some more program. I will give is I will remove these lines, right? Okay, so now what I will do is I will give here not match equals false, not match equal false, then right. Okay, for in line. Okay, so now what I will do is if element in line. So now I will remove this line also, it's showing giving us trouble. So now if element in line, so okay, we need to give if element is not equal to 0, 9, 0, and then I will give you a not match. Not match is equal to 2. What I will do is I will give here if not match. Okay, so now where is that? Everything is equal, right? So now let's run this program. Okay, all of them are winners, we got them winners. So now what if we give, this is not true, right? So now what I will do is, what if I give all match in place of not? Okay, all match equals true. I will paste it here, paste it here also for element and time. Okay, we need to add one more line, that is print element comma line 0. If all match, so why it's so now let's run this program and see whether it's what it is showing. As you can see here, it's giving us, it's working, but it's showing us double time, and this is dynamic enough. So now, and this is dynamic enough, like we could make this larger. Okay, the problem is that it's a lots of code. Okay, this is the lots of code. As you can see here, how much lines? 1 2 3 4 total 9 lines or somewhat. Okay, so now what I will do is I will open our Microsoft Edge web browser and I will search here Google and I will give this, it's here, right? Okay, where is that website? Our website Stack Overflow. Oh, it's here. So now it's asking some question that I need a function which takes so and so. Okay, so now let's see the answers. So let's see the another answer. Okay, oh, let's copy this line. Okay, I have copied this one, and now I will paste it in our code. Okay, one more thing to address is that at the starting all contents of our game was 0, right? So again, what if we give is, I will go at the top and here also 0 and 1 0 1. That's right. So now it's showing as winner. So one more thing I will give is to say is, what if we give def win is there. I will remove all this game. So now I will paste this line. So will that, so here we are using line copy that also. So now I will add here if statement, and is equal to 0, and one more thing, and line 0 is not equal to symbol, as you know, is 0. Okay, so now I will save it. I will run this program. Oh, now where is that? Parent winner is not showing. For line in game, print line. Okay, print winner is there. What if I run this again? Why it's not showing? Oh, we have not given here. I will give yes. Current key. Okay, so now let's run it again. We are not getting that. Game print line. Okay, so now what I will do is I will again run this. Inner WI. Okay. Everything is fine, right? So we'll go back again. We will control Z here. So it was there, right? So what I will do is I will copy this line again. And now here I will remove this everything here, and now I will give it clearly for line in game. Okay, print line, and now what I will do is I will paste this one. I will copy this line and paste it in place of X. Here also same. If and line brackets 0 is not equal to, right, is not equal to 1 and 0. Okay, I will give here is print winner. Print. So now let's run this program and see whether it's coming or not. What if we give 0 and double 0? Okay. 1, 2. Oh, now it's coming, right? So that was the problem we were doing. Now we got the winner. From the time it was taking lots of lines of code for getting the same results. So now from the time we were talking about horizontal winners, and now we will what about vertical winners? Now we will talk about vertical winners. So now let's get started. Now what I will do is I will delete this one, clear up all this one. I will make my game multi-line command, and at the end I will combine these two codes, horizontal winning and vertical winning, in this function only. So it will be confusing for us if we add now. So for before that we need to understand it. Okay, so now I will do that separately. So now what I will do is I will give here, I have removed this one, right? I will give a for function line in game print line. Okay, so now let's run this program. Now what I should do is I will give here 2 because we are playing here vertical. We are talking about vertical winners, right? So I will give like this. Same here. Okay, so now let's run this program. For line in game, it's there. It's not working properly. In game was there, right? Current line. Oh, 0. Right, that's what the problem we are doing. So now let's run this program. As you can see here, it's showing the 0th column of our game board. So now we could have some sort of check. So now what I will do is I will give here some check because, okay, right here GCK check, then equals to modern brackets. I will give here append. Check dot append, right? Brackets my line, then 0. Okay, so now I will press here enter. I will copy this line from here. Is there now? I will copy this check and paste it in place of line. Here also same. So now let's run this program. So now it's showing us winner. So now what if we give 1 in place of 2 in the first column? 1 in place of 2 and run it again. It's not showing anything. So we'll change it to 2 and run this program again. So now it's showing us winner. So now what you want is you want this code dynamic as possible. This code dynamic as possible, right? So there are two major things. One is the print of the 0. 1, 2 at the top of our game that we have worked on before is not dynamic. Right? In the starting we were giving 0, 1, 2 and in the beside we were giving 0, 1, 2, right? So that was not dynamic. We will fix that. No need to worry. And second is the game itself is not really changeable. Okay? Easily. So we will fix that also. So now what I will do is I will give here, I will clear up all this one before doing that. I will give here columns equals 0, 1, 2 for columns, not columns, call in columns. Okay, check equals brackets so now for line in game is there, check line, everything is fine, right? So now let's run this program. So now it's showing us winner. So now what if we give 1 in place of 2 here, run it again. So it's not showing anything. So again I will give here is 1 and I will clear up this one and run it again. It's not showing. So now here everything is working fine, but we have got this being hard coded. We don't want that. So what we could do is we could do one more thing. As you know, it's just from 0 and increments 1 per each row and column that we have. Okay, this one. So now what I will do is I will give here game is there, everything is there. So I will removing this, and so now what I will do is for column call in array, something will be known as range, and then in the brackets I will give len, in the brackets I will give game. Okay, so now what I will do is I will give check equal brackets, and so now I will check dot append is there. Okay, so now let's run this program and see whether it's showing or not. I will clear up all this one. Okay, we have got the winner 3 times. It's okay. So now we have got the winner. So guys, that's all for this video, and in the next video we will be talking about diagonal winners, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.